Hey everyone, welcome to Sunday Sessions. Today we're going to cover how you can batch denoise content within Lightroom. We've covered this before, but plenty of you have left comments on the video saying that it doesn't work anymore. That's because Lightroom have introduced a patch that basically moves it from one part of the app to another. It's still pretty simple, it is still there, so let's show you how you can do it.
Once you're in the Lightroom application, you want to go down to the bottom left and hit the Detail tab. Also, you can press D on your keyboard. Then you want to go up to the Edit tab in the top right. You can press E to go here as well, then scroll all the way down till you get to the Detail tab. You can then hit on Denoise, and this will apply denoise to the image you've got selected. Mine's already cached, so it doesn't need to go through the whole process of enabling it again, so you can see the difference. There it is. Once you've adjusted your settings, you want to go down to the bottom and click on Choose Edit Settings to copy. I usually untick all of them just to make sure I've got what I want. Obviously, you can use this for other settings at the same time, such as lens correction, etc. But you want to make sure that you select Denoise Raw Detail Super Resolution. Click on Copy. If you select your images here in the Detail view and paste it, it won't work. You do have to go down to the bottom left and go on one of the multi-views. Once you're in the grid view, all you have to do then is press Ctrl V or right-click and paste to apply these settings to every image you have highlighted. And then you just have to wait for the AI to do its magic. Once that's all done, you'll be able to drill into the images and then go into the detail view and you'll see that the denoise is applied. As mentioned, please do make sure that you set your settings such as the amount before you copy and paste to all images. And then once you've done that, you can click off and on to see if it's enabled. And there you go. That is the new way to do it. If you did find this helpful in any way, please do like, comment, subscribe, share. It does help out. And if you have anything that you want to learn or see how to do, comment below. Thank you. See you next week.